Ever found yourself with a hole in the wall and you just don't know what to do with it? Well, this little trick will help you out, and it involves our old friend, Mr. Expanding Foam. Now, I'm not saying this is the best method to use for this, and I'm not saying it's the only method, but I'm saying it is a method. I would be very interested to know what you guys think, so let me know in the comments. Here we go, Mr. Expanding Foam in action. The solution to all the world's problems. Global warming, war, tax rises, all solved with a can of expanding foam. Do your best and expanding foam the rest. I might get a few comments about this one. Yes, this is 2-part wood filler by Ronseal. I'm using it because it sets really quick and really hard. I've been using 2-part wood filler on walls for years and I've not had one single problem in all that time. The Ronseal is just the first coat, however. We are going with 2-prit interior filler over the top, as you see me doing now. Now, you might be wondering why I'm using a plastering trowel for using filler. Some git borrowed my big filling knife and never returned it, so that's why I'm using a plastering trowel. Does the job and does it well. Right, there you have it. That is all final filled. Obviously, it's going to need sanding after it dries, and then it's going to need painting, but that is another job. That is 2 sockets totally done. Quite happy with the results. Sure the client will be happy as well, because he's the one who's going to sand it all and paint it. Anyway, thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.